the most safe spot yesterday.
What?
This spot right here is perfect.
Yeah, away from the trees and shit.
It should probably go that way. Okay, see if we can go over that way. Trees.
Why is it around like on the dock?
Oh, it's windy too. On
Good
the
luck.
dock because it might fall.
It's slanted down there.
Yeah. Oh my god, I almost got a light standing up. Oh my. Shit.
Where are you guys running to?
Shit, I'm somewhere.
We picked like the windiest night.
Right, I know.
Here, I'm gonna come help you shield this. Teamwork.
Shit.
Oh my gosh.
This is definitely not a good idea. If you can't
This is
tell.
retarded.
But we're gonna get going. The fuck? Hold on, check this out. I'm putting my back to the wind. Here we go. That's the problem because we stand with our damn face to the wind end. Shit. Okay.
It's just a little one.
I
It
know,
ain't
but
shit,
that's
really.
practice. That's practice for the big one.
Right? Be ready to run. Fuck.
Just that back.
I know it's smoky. I'm getting smoked the fuck out.
This. That's clean.
Yeah.
The fuck?
I told you it was
What
a
the
little
fuck?
one.
The fuck was that?
Okay, give me a lighter.
It's a big one now.
Hold my Gatorade, please.
Alright, are you gonna go like this one?
I don't know which way to record it. Is it already recording sideways if it says that?
I don't know.
If the clock's sideways? I don't know.
I'd roll with it.
I do that all the time. Record my videos sideways. Okay. This one first because it's got more shots, so they're smaller. Because they're both the same weight. Yeah, it's really
this one's
high.
gonna be, yeah, this one's
We
gonna-
should do it in here.
I gotta make sure it size upwards though.
It's right. I set them both down.
Alright, let's get it.
One of us did.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in the middle with that one. It's too big. Don't you think?
That one last night shot.
We shot both of those from over there last night. I just don't know what the tree's right there. Like,
No, it goes right past it. It did last
it's
night.
windy though. You gotta remember that shit.
Yeah, this box ain't moving.
I know, but the shit might blow. You know what I mean?
Shit!
Oh, I'm getting rained on by ash. I swear to God. You hear all that shit falling on my car?
Maybe it's not good to have it. So.
Yeah, I don't think so. But it looks pretty on my camera.
Right, I mean, how the fuck can you get that far back though? Seriously, after lighting it.
Shit's smoking still. It's on fire.
It's got a wind here.
Yeah, I know.
I need to stand on top of it. Damn, you're good like this.
That was nice.
Fucking right.
I know, look at all this smoke. Oh my god, it's raining. Oh wow. Yeah. Some of that shit's hot too.
It's fucking... It makes it sound like it's raining.